Alright folks, hope y'all enjoy the video and have a blessed day. Let's go. Alright folks, I wanted to do a quick little video, mail call video here from one of my brothers in Christ, Brother Rex Wiseman. He sent me a package. I'm going to read a little letter to you here. I don't think he'll mind. He included in the package. It says, "Brother Bobby, I do hope and pray that my letter find you and your family in good health and fine spirit. Please accept and enjoy this buck 110 and Baron Son Trapper with my humble compliments and God's glorious blessings. Feel free to do with them as you see fit. As per our conversation, I've included my Parker double lock blade knife, which needs repair to the bone scale. Thank you for your kindness and compassion in helping others. Godspeed, dear friend. Godspeed, Brother Rex Wiseman." Thank you for that, brother. I always love hearing Brother Rex's words. He's got a way of lifting you up and putting you at a even keel. But this is the two knives he sent me. He sent me this buck 110. It needs cleaning up, polished up some. But that's what I love. This kind of knives I love getting right here. This joker is going to be beautiful. It's absolutely gorgeous once it's cleaned up. Still, it's a very solid knife. No breaks in the handle. The blade's got a little bit of scratching on it, but it don't appear that it's ever been sharpened, and may have been used a little bit, but if so, not much. That's one of the knives he sent me. Then he sent me this Baron Sons Trapper. This is carbon steel blades. Baron Son. Says USA on it. It's got some stars. Of course, y'all know Baron Son is in Alabama. Got the carbon steel USA on the back. Just a nice little old trapper. Can't hardly go wrong with the yellow handles. Pretty little old knife. Thank you so much for that, brother. I don't think I had one of these. I've got a few Baron Sons, but I don't think I had the yellow trapper. So I appreciate that. And this is the knife he sent me for repair. It's I think you call it a Lockhorn. It's a Parker MI. Y'all all seen these. It's a K236. Cool little old knife. Double lock back. And who don't like a Parker? But right here is what I'm going to be repairing for him. This little old chip out in the bone. So we'll get that repaired, and I plan on doing a video on this. If I don't forget, I will try my best to remember to do it. Sometimes I just get going on a project and I forget to video it till I'm all the way done, or most of the way done, and then it's too late. But we'll do that. We'll do the repair on it, and we'll do a good cleanup on it, and we'll get it back to Brother Rex, and hopefully he'll be happy with it. But brother, I appreciate you trusting me with that job, and I will do my best to make you happy on it. So y'all stay tuned for that. And if you hadn't checked out Brother Rex's channel, Brother Blades and More, y'all need to get over there and do that. He does some great content on knives and knife reviews, and he does an excellent job on just recognizing and shouting out the members of the knife community. So y'all get over there and give him a subscribe and watch a few of his videos and like them and share them and comment on them. Excellent man of Christ. I'm proud to call him my friend. So y'all get over there and check him out. Thank you so much again, brother, for this. I'll get this repair job done just as quick as I can for you. Thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. God bless.
Alright folks, the call rings clear from a forge where blades appear. Rugged cross knives, bold and bright, born of fire, shaped with might. Steel and leather side by side, crafted strong with maker's pride. Blades that whisper, edges keen, stories sharp and surfaces clean. Old knives weathered, scarred with rust, find new life in skilled hands' trust. Alright folks, the maker grins where every blade and tail begins. So sing of steel, of edge and hide, of passion, skill, and crafted pride.